Most tire shines promise a deep, wet look, but after just one drive, they either sling black grease all over your paint or completely wash off in the rain. So, I bought the top 5 highest-rated tire shines on Amazon for a full 30-day real-world test to find out which one actually lasts. I put them through a brutal testing process: harsh sun, heavy rain, and highway speeds. And honestly, some of these best sellers are a complete waste of your money. Let's get right into it. First, we need to eliminate 2 massive names right off the bat. Meguiar's Hot Shine Foam is cheap and easy to find, but the aerosol spray goes everywhere. It leaves a greasy mess on your rims, and the shine fades in a matter of days. Black Magic. No Scrub has a similar problem. It's supposed to be spray and walk away, but it acts like a magnet for brake dust. If you want your tires to turn dirty and brown after a week, buy this. If not, skip it. That leaves us with the final 3 contenders. These are the heavyweights. But before applying anything, I deep cleaned every single tire. This is the biggest mistake people make. A dressing will never bond to dirty rubber, and that's usually why you get Sling. Up first is the Exo-Forma wet tire dressing. If you want that crazy, dripping wet look, this is your winner. The application is super smooth, and true to their word, it dries in just a few minutes. I tested it at highway speeds immediately after, and my paint stayed completely spotless. This is the ultimate car show tire shine. Next, we have the Aero Rubber Care. This one is totally different. It's an aircraft-grade ceramic polymer. It doesn't give you a wet look. Instead, it leaves a beautiful, rich, dark matte finish. It feels completely dry to the touch and actually repels dirt. If you prefer a clean, factory-fresh tire over a glossy one, this stuff is absolute magic. Finally, the famous Car Guys Tire Shine Spray. What I love about this one is the versatility. Want a high gloss? Spray it on heavy. Want a smooth satin finish? Buff it down with a microfiber towel. It comes with an applicator pad, goes on incredibly smooth, and gives you total control without feeling greasy. But how do they hold up over a full month? Welcome to day 30 of our test. The car has been through heavy rainstorms, baked in the harsh sun, and driven on the highway daily. By day 30, the Exo-Forma lost a bit of that extreme wetness, settling into a dark, clean finish. Still very impressive for a full month. The Aero looked almost exactly the same as day 1. Because it's a ceramic polymer, water just beads right off it even after 4 weeks. But the Car Guys spray? It survived the 30-day test brilliantly, holding on to its deep black color without turning brown or patchy. So, what's the final verdict for Auto Rift? If you want maximum gloss, go with Exo-Forma. If you want a dry matte finish, get Aero. But for the absolute best all-around tire shine, the winner is Car Guys. It gives you the perfect balance of deep black color, durability, UV protection, and zero sling. It's what I'll be keeping in my detailing kit from now on. I've linked all of these down in the description below so you can check the current prices. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more real-world detailing tests. See you in the next one.